is she talking when I'm filming? I'm so scared right now. It's Halloween and Christian isn't here. Welcome to this month's Spooky release notes, because it's Halloween. It's Halloween month and we're getting really close. And with this release, we will celebrate Halloween and the release at the same time. Also, I have a little caveat for you at the end that you will enjoy. But first off, this is gonna be really spooky because Christian is not here. He's actually sick, which makes it even more scary. So today I have Vivi and Vicky filming and laughing in the background. That's why you have shaky cam as well, so it's extra spooky. Anywho, let's move on to the release notes with the shaky cam. So first off, for improvements, we added a filter in the compliance library in the reader, making sure that the first connections that you see is only connected to that specific manual. And the reader themselves can of course go in and clear the filter to see all the connections. Another thing, we added another filter in under user performance in document control. So under the document in control, there you can now have a filter so you can see your user groups and how well a specific group is performing. That should help a lot of you during your audits. Now for tasks, we had an issue where all tasks actually did nothing. All tasks would just show a selection between completed tasks and open tasks. So now you can choose all tasks to actually see all of your tasks. So now it's working as advertised. Spooky. We also added an infinity symbol just for those of you who needed it in special characters. And the last thing for improvements, when making a reviewer comment, the comment would actually stay in the field after sending or after saving the comment. That could be a little bit annoying because then you would have to delete it and then write your new comment. You could actually say it was a poltergeist of a comment. This is getting ridiculous, but hey ho, here we go. So now the comment will actually be auto removed when you saved. Let's move on to the spooky bugs. So first off, when you're splitting a table, the next table used to be incomplete. Now, when splitting a table, it's actually going to be properly split and tables are going to be pretty. You'll have two tables. And in the reader content pages, you could choose to have a shortcode column, but that column would actually not show up, or it wouldn't have any content in it. So now the shortcode column will actually contain the shortcodes of the documents as advertised. And another thing, in Reader, the Reader comment can now be removed by the person who made the comment, just like it could in version 7. And the last thing here, template documents, when you sync them to a child, the document or the images will actually not update and give a revision bar if the images in the template document was external images, meaning that your child document should still function. Other than that, we have our truckload of internal upgrades and smaller improvements that you will probably not even notice that we did, which is then a good thing. And the very last thing that I promised you in the beginning, we have also just released app version 1.1 today. I'm not gonna make a video on the release notes because they are huge, but please go in and watch them and try out the new app version. Enjoy.